She walks into class with a smile so bright, talking about life from dawn till night, from cells to hearts, from trees to men. She helps us see the master plan. Microscope dreams and DNA strands, nature's secrets right in her hands. She's our biology teacher, guiding our way through the mysteries of life every day, from flowers that bloom to creatures that fly. She teaches us how and the reason why. With love for the earth and the life it brings, she makes us see the beauty in all living things. She draws the lungs and talks about breath, how life keeps going even through death. She shows us bones and beating hearts, where science ends and wonder starts. From cells that split to stars above, she teaches with patience, care and love. She's our biology teacher, guiding our way through the mysteries of life every day, from oceans deep to skies so wide. She shows the rhythm of life inside. With every chart and every plan, she teaches the miracle woman and man. In every leaf, in every seed, she shows us life's eternal creed, that we're all part of one great song, connected to nature, where we belong. She's our biology teacher, heart so kind, opening worlds inside our mind. From tiny cells to galaxies far, she shows who we are and how bright we are. With every class, she helps us see that life itself is the greatest mystery. She walks into class